Hey guys, welcome back to Yelan App. For today's video, we are going to show you durable AI website builder tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering what is a great way for you to start building your website using AI and without any coding with minimal effort. Well, durable here is a great way for you to start generating your website through the use and power of AI. Now in this case, what we need to do first is we need to go to the official website, which is going to be durable.co. Now in this case, you should be able to see the main UI here that says generate your website, sign in, or build your site. Now since we already want to start creating our website here, let's go ahead and just click on the button here that says generate your website. Now, generating a website here for Durable or in Durable is actually pretty easy. You just need to follow the step-by-step process that it will actually be showing you here for you to start building your website. In this case, it's going to first ask you what type of business are you building. So maybe I want to say it is going to be about photography. So just enter photography here, and you could go ahead and click on next. And from here, where is your business located? So in this case, you could choose a location here that you want, or you just click on X here. But if you have your precise location enabled, it should detect your location here. So for now, we're going to use San Juan here and just click on next. And we want to enter the business name here. So I want to say this is going to be somewhere around Renzi's photography here, and click on generate website. Now from here, it's going to start generating our website, which is actually pretty easy. It's going to basically build everything for you. So make sure that you answer all the relevant information or questions so that you'll be able to properly generate your website. So this might actually take a few minutes or a few seconds depending on how their service is actually fast or performing right now. So for now, let's just wait for it to finish. Now, once your website is actually done, it's going to say your website is now generated or successfully generated your website. Now, in this case, there's going to be a few things that you could do here. Like, for example, if you want to regenerate a specific section on your website, just click on regenerate here. It's going to regenerate whatever that you see here. So as you can see, this might take a few seconds or a few minutes again. And if you want to edit it manually, just click on edit here, and you'll be able to change a few things. Now, if you haven't signed up in the platform itself, you can go ahead and enter your email address here, your password, and create your account, or sign up with Google here. So since I already have a Google account, I'm going to use my Google account here to sign up and choose my Google account here. And from here, we want to go ahead and wait for it to complete. And once it's actually completed, we should be able to see the builder website again. Now from here, you should be able to see your website here. So for example, if you click on this section here, you should be able to see, click on the edit option. You should be able to change a few things like headings, subtext, like buttons. If you want to include a button here, go ahead and do that. You can even change the style, like colors, button style, the heading, subtext, the background image if you want to add that, or if you want to remove that, or add or replace this with a customized image if you want to. You have the position, color overlay, animations, spacing, a minimum height, divider, border combined with header. So in this case, building a website here to Durable is actually pretty easy. Just follow the steps here, and depending on what you actually select here, like for example, I'm going to select this section here. So let's just click on edit, and you should be able to see different options that you could do here. So since this is just a section for content, which in this case are going to be some form of text, you should be able to change the text here as you would. Or if you want to regenerate the text itself, just click on regenerate here. You could also change the style here. So yeah, so depending on what section that you are currently editing, you should be able to change a few things. Like for example, if you want to rearrange a few things, like for example, select this one and you want to move this up, just click on move up. And as you can see, it's going to be now at the very top. And if you want to move this down, just click on move down. Or if you want to delete the section here, just click on the delete option here and you'll be able to delete that. Now in this case, you could go ahead and edit your website as you would. So it doesn't require any coding here. It's just need some form of understanding. So if you're familiar with editing like different section here, like images, icon, and a lot of those details, you should be good actually. So those are actually the basics. So you don't need to code anything in here. Now in this case, you can go ahead and edit whatever here. But you also have the option here to add pages if you want to, like create new page, create new folder, or create blog posts if you want to, or if it's actually required. Now in this case, you can actually only create like 3 pages here for the pre-plan. So if you want to get more pages, you need to upgrade your current account. Now in this case, if you want to change a few, or like for example settings for your homepage here, just click on the gear icon here and you should be able to change the label, the title, show link, footer here, SEO, and a lot more. So we have the code section here if you want to access some advanced stuff here, so you could go ahead and do that. Now in this case, what we need to do next is we need to if you want to duplicate it or position some things here, you could go ahead and do that as well. Now in this case, once you're done, you should be able to go back into the section here, and if you made any changes, make sure to save it at the top left here. But in this case, you have the Open AI Assistant. So if you need assistance, you just need to type in, like for example, if you're familiar with ChatGPT, this kind of assistant, you just need to say like, I need assistance changing the photos on the About Us section. You just need to mention that. So maybe I want to say need assistance on changing the picture on the About Us section. So just press on enter here. So let's see what we will be getting as a response. So this might take a few settings. So opening the settings where you want to change this one. As you can see, we were able to change a few things here on About section here. So yeah, so in this case, you could go ahead and do that and edit a few things here. So yeah. So in this case, if you want to preview your website, just click on the preview at the top right here, and you should be able to see your website address here, and just click on preview here. So in this case, you could go ahead and do that. So also, if you want to change your domain here to a different one, so this by default, it has mydurable.com here. If you want to change that to a different one or customize one, you just need to upgrade now for us to change that. Now also, we have the option here to basically view it in desktop, in tablet, or even in your phone. So making sure that your website actually fits those different devices. Now to publish our website, what we need to do is we need to click on exit at the top left here, and from here you should be able to see your website. And if you just need to publish it, just click on publish at the top right, and you should be able to click on publish, and you should be able to publish your website. And they just need to click on or basically enter the following address here to view your website. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan App. Thank you for watching.